Okay, so now that we know what lists are, we can go ahead and implement taking the greetings out of our data store and actually printing them on our screen. We'll put them right here just under the form, okay? So how do we add something to our current HTML? Well, to keep things simple, let's just go ahead and split up the HTML into 3 bits. The first bit is going to start from our HTML and go up to our form. Then the second bit will be the HTML will be adding for every item or for every time someone posts a greeting, and so for every post we will be retrieving for our data store. And then the last part, since we need to close the body and the HTML tags, well, this will be the third bit, just so that the HTML doesn't break. So we will have, this will be our first bit, then here we will insert the greetings, and then this will be the final HTML bit. So how do we go ahead and split our HTML into 3 bits? Well, let's just create a new variable called HTML is equal to, and let's go ahead and copy our first bit, okay, into here. Then we can say HTML plus equals, and then we just add our last bit. Okay, so this will be plus equals. Okay, so now essentially what we have done is we have broken up our HTML into 2 bits. We have our HTML here, declared here, and the value of the HTML is all of this HTML up to the form. And then we are adding to the current HTML the closing body and HTML tag, right? So we are essentially ending up with the same thing we had before. But what this allows us to do is to go ahead and insert here another HTML plus equals, and we can insert our greetings into here. So this is how we can then end up with our HTML up to our form, our greetings, and then our closing body and HTML tag. So I'm going to clean this up, and self response right will be the HTML. So we are sending back to our users the HTML that we have just broken up into 3 pieces.